Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be studying about a particular clause in SQL that helps us to sort the data in a particular fashion, whether in ascending order or in the descending order. Now suppose we have a table, this table we have where roll number is there and name is there. Roll number is 134269, and as you can see it is not in a arranged fashion, that is it is neither ascending nor descending, it is just simply present. So if in that case, if I want the roll numbers or if I want this table to be arranged based on the roll number in ascending or descending order, then we need to use a clause, that is order by clause. Okay, this clause has to be used in that case if I want to get this output. Like this is the, if I want this output, then in that case 1 2 3 4 6 9. So see, in this case, in okay, wait, this is suppose table 1, table 1, suppose this is table 1, and suppose I'm merging it. Okay, merge and center, and the same thing if I am using it here. So suppose this is table 2. Okay, so in table 2 is the input, table 1 is the input and table 2 is the output. So if I give this input table 1 as the input and want table 2 as the output, then in that case we'll have to use a special SQL query, that is order by. Now let me take you to notepad. There I have mentioned few points that will help you to get the theoretical part of this clause. So order by clause is one of the clauses used in the SQL to sort the output in a particular fashion, whether in the ascending order or in the descending order. Now SQL query, that is order by, is used to arrange a column in a particular fashion, obviously in ascending or descending order. Now SQL query to sort the result set in ascending or descending order, so all has the same meaning. The difference is, like, we just want to order it, we just want to sort the result set in a particular fashion, so that it becomes easy for us to understand, like which data is coming after which row is coming immediately next to which row. Okay, and one more thing is, one more point you can add over here, that by default it sorts in ascending order, it sorts in ascending order, but we can even sort it in descending order by mentioning DESC command. So there we have ASC command, so there we have ASC for ascending, and DESC for descending. Okay, so DESC for descending, yeah, so that is for descending. Okay, so if you want to use especially for descending or ascending, then in that case we can use that. So this is all about the clause. So this we have got this theoretical part. Now let's move on to the SSMS, where we will understand that. So as you can see in my database, I already have a table named student, where DBO is the schema and student is the name of the table which is present in the database name DB. So I'll have to drop it so that I can create a table, okay, with the name of the under the name student. So I'm dropping it. Let me execute this query. This will drop the student. Okay, so what it is telling, cannot drop the table because it does not exist or you do not have permission. No, now if I'll refresh, I can understand that whether table student exists or not. I think I have deleted that for this creating this video. No, it does not exist, so it does not have any meaning, like drop I need not to use. Now I will create a table. Okay, create table student. Now this student table name I have given. Now I will give the columns. Which columns should be there? So first column is roll number, that will be of integer type obviously. Then comes name, that will be of type varchar, and I will maximize it to 10 characters only. Okay, after that I will keep status, like whether you have passed or whether you have failed, that will also be of varchar, that is of 10. Okay, so maximize to 10. So I will keep it in this way, so it is okay. Now I'll execute this query and that will create a student table. See, this student table has been created, and if I'll refresh this part, object explorer part, and I'll see the databases part, DB is there, Now within this DB, tables are there. Table C, student table has been created with the schema DBO. If I'll expand this, you will be able to see the number of columns which are present in the types of the columns also. Now since it has been created, I'll have to comment it also, because now since once it has been created, now I need to insert values into this. So let me insert few values into this. Okay, insert into, what is the name of the table? That is the student. Okay, student. Now student C, that has already come pop up. So now values, we have seen it so many times, like how the values are inserted. So one, suppose the first name goes with student. Okay, first name goes with S Sujit. Okay, first name is Sujit. After that it is status. Status is suppose past. Okay, past. Now second entry. So second entry, suppose it is second entry. If you want to see like multiple entries you will give, so second entry will be, suppose it is 5. After that it comes to Sovit, Suhana, suppose Suhana. Okay, Suhana. Okay, and she has also passed. Now after that comes, suppose I'm giving one more entry, like suppose 3. Okay, and this is David. Okay, this is David, and he is compared. Okay, so David is compared. So okay, so these 3 entries, let me give first and show you that it is getting inserted. So it has been inserted, 3 rows has been inserted, affected. Okay, now after that let me select, see all the values whatever is there. Select asterisk from student. Okay, so select asterisk from student, I'm taking it. Now I'll have to comment these lines, because if I'm not commenting these lines, then again the same data will be inserted into the table, so it will like not be good. Okay, see, I have got this. Now it is not looking nice. 1 5 3, the way I have inserted that is coming in that order only, but I want it in a ordered fashion. So I will order it. Now I'll use the command order by, which I was talking about. Okay, so I want to order it by which column name? Suppose name column I want to order it. So name I have used. Name column is there. So I'm using it by name column. Now let me execute this. See, it is coming 351, order by name. So it is not getting ordered by roll number, that's why it is coming 351. It is ordered by name. So you will see A B C D, D comes first, then Suhana, S comes next to D, but in that case SU, so SU H, so H, after H J comes. Okay, if you will go through the alphabetic order in English alphabet, according to the English alphabet, you will see H comes before J. That's why it is coming David Suhana. So it doesn't have any meaning like how it is coming. So if you will go through roll number, suppose I am going through roll number, I want to arrange it according to the roll number. Then see, then it is actually, then it will give you a correct output. See, 135. See, it has come according to the order, like 1 comes first, then 3, then 5. So this has been ordered in a particular fashion. This is ascending order. Now you want it in a descending order. So what we will do? DESC, if I'll use DESC is the command, DESC if is a command which will help you to order it in a descending order, like 5 will come, next 3 will come, next to that 1 will come. See, it has come. Now suppose for the timing I'll comment this and I will insert one more value. Suppose I'm inserting one more value into this, just to show you that we can use multiple columns while sorting it, while using the order by clause. So value, suppose it is value is, okay, let me take one more matlab two values I'll take together. Okay, and then it will be understandable, then it will be quite understandable. Like see, one is there, so Sujit already name exists, so I am giving one more 4 I am giving. Okay, so here the roll number of the same name but roll number is different, it can happen, and he is compared. Okay, and he is compared, I mean he is not passed fully. So now after that Suhana is the name, and her roll number is, like suppose 2. One Suhana has roll number 5, one Suhana has roll number 2, and both of them has passed. So now I am executing this, so 2 rows affected more. Okay, now I am seeing this query. let me see this query for the timing, that how many data has come. Like, okay, so let me just have a look that data has come or not in the table, actual table, because I need to sort it accordingly. So if I'll execute this query, you will see that two Sujits have come, but they have been like there is no order in the arrangement of the roll numbers or the name or the status. So now, okay, I understood that they have been inserted. Now I am going to remove this, and again I am going to execute that by roll number descending. So it has been executed. See, 5 4 3 2 1, because both the Sujits are there, both Suhanas are there, but they are different, like based on the roll number they have been sorted in the descending order. Now I want this in the descending order. Okay, but before that I want to order by name in the descending order. Name also should be in the descending order. Okay, so name also should be in the descending order, or let name be in the ascending order. Ascending, ASC, ascending order. Now let me execute this. You will see now what observation you find here. So name has been, first name has been ordered in the ascending order. Okay, so you see name has been ordered. So first D comes in the alphabetical order, then S comes, then S comes. After that SU. So H comes before J. So that's why it has been ordered. So name has been ordered first. This column has been ordered first in the ascending order. After that, both Suhanas have come together. Then in that case, they have been arranged internally in the order of roll number, that is in the descending order. Okay, so you see roll number I have given descending order. So Suhana 1 Suhana has roll number 2, and the second Suhana has roll number 5, and that has been arranged in the descending order. So this is 5 first comes, and then comes 2, because I have arranged that in the descending order. After that Sujit, in case of Sujit also, first name is coming, name has been arranged in the ascending order. After that they have been, the both the names internally has been arranged in the descending order. Now see, keep in mind this one. Now if I remove this and do it as ASC, okay, and try to execute this, you will see that both Suhanas are there. Before, in case of descending, it was coming 5 first and then 2, but here this 2 is coming first and then 5. In case of Sujit, in the previous case it was coming 4 first and then 1, but now it is coming 1 and 4, because I have given the order to arrange this roll number in the ascending order. So this is the way, like it becomes very easy to fetch the values from the table if it is ordered in a particular fashion. So this was the lesson today we wanted to have. This is order by clause, and this is very much important while we are dealing with the SQL queries and the huge volume of data. So thank you friends for attending this entire session. Please do share, like, subscribe this channel so that it reaches to all the needy persons who need to have the knowledge of SQL query. Thank you so much.